In this video, we're turning this ordinary cooler into a growing system. We're gonna mix some nutrients, adjust the pH, transfer bok choy baby seedlings into the cooler. So my cooler took roughly about 8 to 9 gallons, but we're gonna call it 10 gallons just to round it off to make it easier. Now this is what I use, Master Blend 41838. It's a tomato and vegetable formula and it works great for leafy greens and other vegetables. So let's get mixing. I use a teaspoon and Master Blend. It comes in a 3-part kit and you can get it online. Now I'm checking the pH and you can see it sitting at 7.2. So we're going to add some pH down to get it down to 6.5. And now that I got my pH down to 6.5, it's time to check the ppms. I usually don't check the ppms, guys, but for the folks that do check the ppms, here's the ppm reading. And I did add some air stones via this little aquarium pump, adding some extra oxygen to the system, and let's see how it does. 1-inch piece of foam, a mini Dixie cup, and a piece of pool noodle. And now we are ready to transplant our baby bok choy into the cooler. As far as lighting, folks, I usually run my lights 12 hours on and 12 hours off using a timer, keeping the grow light 12 to 18 inches off the top of the plants. If you don't have any grow lights, you can put this in a sunny window and it'll work just fine.